Hi my loves, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video, I want to create a natural glam look for the summer. And in today's video, I will also be using the Morphe palette. As you guys can see, I already created 2 looks from this palette. So if you are interested in watching those videos, I'm gonna leave a link in the description below so you guys can watch it after you guys finish watching this video. So if you are excited for this video, give this video a thumbs up, and without any further ado, let's go ahead and start this video. Okay my love, so I turned my fan on again because again this room is extremely hot and I have to keep my window closed because I don't want you guys to hear the background noise. So that's why please bear with me and let's go ahead and start this video. So I already moisturized my face. My go-to moisturizer is this Purity moisturizer from Philosophy. So that's my go-to. So now we're gonna go ahead and apply our face primer. It is essential to apply a face primer because that will basically hold your makeup all day long. So that's why I go and use the Wet n Wild matte face primer. So we're gonna apply that in our face. I always like to start with my T-zone because that's where I mostly get oily. So I start from here and then I'll go all the way here under my eyes. So after you apply your face primer, you could go ahead and apply foundation or do your eyebrows. I like to use both methods. I like to apply foundation first and then do my eyebrows. But then there's certain days that I want to do my eyebrows first and then apply foundation. So it depends on you. Today I'm gonna do my eyebrows and then I'm gonna do my eyeshadow, and then I want to clean up my eyeshadow. If there's any fallouts, I will want to clean it and make it very precise and pretty. So that's why I'm gonna do my eyebrows and eyeshadow first, and then I'm going to apply foundation. So for the eyeshadow, I use the Maybelline Tattoo Studio in the shade 382. And now you want to go ahead and apply concealer. My go-to concealer is the L'Oreal Infallible Full Wear Concealer in the shade 360 Cashmere. And then I'm gonna go ahead and use the e.l.f. concealer brush and basically blend the concealer. Okay, so now our eyebrows are done and we are gonna go ahead with our eyelid. We want to apply concealer in our eyelid as well. I am using a flat brush to basically blend the concealer. And so now our eyelid is ready to apply eyeshadow. So I want to try something new today. Instead of me showing you guys and picking up my palettes and showing you the eyeshadow, I want to basically put an image here from the Morphe palette and show you guys the eyeshadows that I will be using. So if you like that, then let me know if you like that and I will continue doing that. But if you guys don't, then I will gladly show you the palette and show you exactly the shade that I'll be using. Or if you guys want to see the picture instead and basically just see a little arrow pointing at the eyeshadow, then let me know which one you guys would like me to do. I want to go ahead and use the shade Newest and apply that as my transition color. You want to grab a fluffy eye brush and basically apply that in your transition crease. Basically start slowly blending it out. Okay, so that transition color is set. And then we're gonna want to go ahead and apply a darker shade. And I think I'm gonna go ahead and apply, the shade Sting. And basically, with that color, it's a little bit darker than our transition. And basically, you want to blend it in your crease. If I could give you guys any tips, based on my experience, I think that as a beginner, you really want to be patient with your makeup. Patient in regards of blending, because I used to do this. Before, I used to basically apply my transition color and I wouldn't take the time to blend it. And I think that it is very important that you take your time, you blend your transition color, because that color is basically even though it's very light, it is gonna show off when you apply darker colors. So it is very important that you take your time whenever you blend your eyeshadows. And I want to go ahead and apply Choco. I think that color is like dark but a little bit reddish, and basically make it a little bit smoky. With the darker color, you want to stay inside your crease. You don't want to go upward anymore, because that was your transition color. So for the darkest shade, you want to stay right here. You don't want to go and blend outside, because again, you already blend your transition color. That is why a transition color is very, very important, that you take your time and basically blend your transition color. And then to make the eyeshadow a little bit, just a little bit smoky, then you could definitely grab a darker shade. I'm gonna go ahead and use the shade Darker, and basically just grab a tiny bit and apply it right over here. Okay, so now that basically your outer corner is set. Okay, so for the inner eye, I want to go ahead and apply the shade Up Front. So there you go, guys. I went ahead and lowered the light for my camera so you guys could see the color. So this is how it came out. Since I am a beginner still with lashes, I'm gonna go off camera and apply my lashes. Basically take my time, be very patient and apply my lashes, because it can be annoying if you don't really know how to apply lashes. I promise you guys that when I master it, I'll definitely show you how to apply your lashes very easily. But right now I'm a little bit struggling, so I'm gonna go off camera and basically be with you guys in a second. Actually, before going off camera, I want to show you which eyelashes I'm gonna apply. I'm gonna apply this Ardell Faux Mink Wispy lashes. The other one that I bought was the Fox Made 853. That one I haven't shown you guys the look because I want to use that one for basically no eyeshadow. I just want to apply my eyeliner and the Fox Made. So definitely stay tuned for that. But for right now, I'm gonna go ahead and apply the Fox Made Wispy lashes. So let's see how that comes out. Okay, so the lashes, it's already set. So now we're gonna go ahead and do the rest of the face. Today I'm gonna use the Maybelline foundation. And now with the flat brush, we're gonna go ahead and blend our foundation. Now we're gonna go ahead and apply our concealer. Today I will be using the L'Oreal Infallible Full Wear Concealer. This is the shade 360 Cashmere. It is definitely like light, but I like it because it gives me that glow. Now I'm gonna go ahead and set my face. I am using the Airspun translucent powder. So I'm gonna dip my sponge and apply it right here. So since I am focusing like under my eyes, I'm gonna focus on my nose as well. And I'm gonna go ahead and contour it. I'm gonna use the butter bronzer. And I'm gonna grab a translucent powder one more time and make a line going this way and another one going this way. Now I'm gonna go ahead and bronze the rest of my face using the contour brush and also using the butter bronzer. Now we're gonna go ahead and apply blush. Today I am using the Milani blush with the shade Tea Rose. As you guys can see, adding a blush, it's so important. It makes a huge difference in your face. So this one has blush and this cheek doesn't have blush. So when you apply blush in your face, it basically makes the apple of your cheeks like more like, I don't know, it just makes your face look more vivid, more alive. So that is why I love adding blush to my cheeks. So for the under eye, I'm gonna add Sting right here. So now we're gonna apply our highlighter. I'm gonna use this shade right here using the Maybelline highlighter. And we wanna go ahead and apply it right over here. That way it gives me that shine. Right over here as well. And now we're gonna go ahead and do our lips. So to underline my lips, I'm gonna use the NYX Professional Makeup lip liner. And then I'm gonna go ahead and apply a nude color. I'm gonna apply the Maybelline 920 Nude Lost lipstick. Okay guys, so that is it with the look. I'm gonna go off camera and again fix the hair, and then I'm gonna give you my final thoughts of this makeup and how you are going to achieve this look. So I'll catch you guys in a second. Okay my love, so this is the final look. OMG, I am loving this look. Like, it is so extremely natural, and I think that you could honestly wear this look anywhere. You could even wear it in your work, to go shopping, which is what I'm gonna do right now. And if you want to stay home and try to look cute, you could also do that, you know. Like, this look definitely gives you that vibe that, you know, just adding a little bit of makeup can transform your face. It seems like I didn't really apply much in my face, which I think I kind of did, but with this makeup it doesn't show, you know. It is natural in its own way, so that's why I love it so much. So let's go ahead and talk about the lashes, guys, because I still struggle applying my lashes, but I think that every day I am getting better, so that is really what matters. And today I am using the Ardell Faux Mink Wispies. These lashes I really like as well, because you guys have seen me use the Wispy regular lashes. But if you are looking for an eyelash that, you know, you want to just go out and basically not do much in the day, I guess, I definitely, for me, I want a wispy lash, a regular natural wispy lash. And that is why I always go for the wispy lashes. And today that's why I decided to use the Faux Mink, and I like it. Oh, and also I forgot to mention that I apply an inner shadow. That way it gives more glow to my eyes. So you could definitely use any highlighter that you want, or a shimmer highlighter that will basically highlight your inner eye. So yeah, that is what I put in my inner eye that I forgot to mention to you guys. And also I forgot to mention that you always, when you finish your makeup, you always want to apply a setting spray. That is why I use the Mary Kay setting spray, which is almost done. Thank you for watching my video, guys. If you enjoyed this video, definitely give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because as a brand new channel, I have tons of ideas coming up. And without any further ado, I hope you guys enjoy your day or your night, whichever day that you are in, and I'll catch you guys in my next video.